Hello guys, today we're going to calculate measurements. So on measurements we're going to do perimeters. So this is how we do the measurement. So we have this diagram above, which is triangular, which is attached to the half circle. So now they asking to calculate the perimeter of the shaded figure. So as you can see, this diagram, it has been shaded throughout. Okay, so now we have the formula for calculating a perimeter. How do you calculate a perimeter? Perimeter is equal to sum of all exterior sides. Sum of all exterior sides. That's how you calculate perimeter. So perimeter is equal to sum of all exterior sides. So what I'm trying to say is that when you're calculating perimeter, you add all exterior sides. So to calculate the perimeter of this diagram, you have to add 5 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus this side, but this side remains unknown. So what for sure we don't know here is that from this point right round to this point, how many centimeters do we have? So as you can see, this is a half circle, so it means you need to calculate perimeter of half circle to find the units for this side. So what we're going to do, we'll say perimeter of half circle is equals to 2 pi r divided by 2, which is equals to 2 times pi times r. So listen guys, this line from this point to this point, we call it a diameter. So this line is a diameter, and then half of this line, like from here to here, so our diameter, as you can see, is 3 centimeters. From here to here is 3 centimeters, but half of diameter, we call it radius. Radius is equals to what? Is equals to half of diameter. So it means here is radius and also here is radius. So if this line from here to here is 3 centimeters, half of this line, it means it's 1.5 and 1.5. okay, so now like you were saying, is 2 times pi times r. R represent radius. Okay, so our radius is 1.5, so it means it's times 1.5, all divided by 2. So the reason why I'm dividing by 2, it is because we're calculating the perimeter of a half circle. So since it is a half circle, we need to divide by 2. And then how much are we going to get? So let's see the answer here. So what we're going to get is 4.71 centimeters. So 4.71 centimeters is the units from this point right round to this point. So it's 4.71 centimeters. You see, now like I said, on perimeter we add all exterior sides, so it means now we got our exterior sides. So perimeter P is equals to, now we start to add, is equals to 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4.71 centimeter. That's what we're going to do, is equals to 5 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 4.71 centimeters. So our perimeter will be equals to 4 plus 5 it's how much? It's 9. 9 plus 4 is 13, so it's going to be 13.71 centimeters. This will be our answer. So the perimeter for the shaded diagram will be 13.71. So remember, perimeter is sum of all exterior sides, so you need to add all exterior sides, this side plus this side plus this side. Okay, let's move to the diagram below. The diagram below, it's we have a rectangular here and we have a triangle that is cutting inside the diagram, and this triangle it seems to be unshaded, and here we have a half circle. Here we have a half circle, and they're asking us to calculate the perimeter of the shaded region. So what we're going to do here, as we know that perimeter is sum of all exterior sides, so if this side is 20 centimeters, remember a rectangular has equal opposite sides, so if here is 20, this side is going to be 20 centimeters as well. Okay, and then as you know that perimeter, we add all exterior sides, is going to be 20 plus 3 plus 3 plus 20 plus the distance from here to here, but this distance remains unknown, so we need to calculate this distance. And as you can see, it's a half of a circle, so you need to calculate perimeter of half of circle. So perimeter of half of a circle is equal to 2 times pi times r divided by 2, which is equals to p is equals to 2 times pi times. So as you can see, this line from here to here, which is the width of this rectangle, is going to be the diameter of the half circle. And remember, half of diameter is equals to radius. So half of 5 centimeters is 2.5. So radius is going to be 2.5. Also is going to be 2.5. So we're going to say it's 2 times pi times 2.5, all divided by 2. So the perimeter of this half circle will be how much? Let's see what we're going to get here. So it seems our perimeter will be 7.85. So the distance from here right round to here, it's how much? It's 7.85. So it means it's 7.85. So now to calculate the perimeter, now you have to add all exterior sides. So we have 3 centimeter to here, we have 3 centimeter to here, we have 20 centimeter to here, we have 7.85 to here, we have another 20 centimeters to here. So that's what we're going to do. Let's start to say perimeter is equals to 3 plus 3 plus 20 plus 20 plus 7.85. So they want the perimeter of the shaded part, and we add the exterior side. So remember, for the shaded part, this 3 centimeters is the exterior side because it's the distance from here to here, and the other 3 centimeters from here to here, and 20 centimeters from here to here. 7.85 centimeters from here right round to here, another 20 centimeters from here to here. So perimeter is sum of all exterior sides, so we sum all of them. So our perimeter will be equals to 3 plus 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. It's going to be 26. It's going to be 46. And then 46 plus 7.85. So I will add 7.85 with 46. With 46, I'm going to get I'll get 53.85. So our perimeter will be 53.85 centimeters. So this will be your answer. So all the time when you're doing the perimeter, remember that perimeter is sum of all exterior sides. You need to calculate the exterior side. So if they give you an exterior side which doesn't have the units, you need to figure out the units, and then after figuring out the units, you add the size. So that is how we calculate the perimeter. Okay, so that's how we do the questions. Okay, that's it. Thank you.